Howdy folks, and welcome to Bullet Response. Now in this video I'm going to go ahead and give you a detailed overview of Bullet Response system. Now when you log in for the first time, this is the dashboard you will see, and on the dashboard you're going to see a couple of menus. Now keep in mind that you will only see reseller function only if you are a reseller. If you're not a reseller, you will see everything from dashboard to account settings. On the dashboard you'll also be able to see your subscribers, your projects, meaning basically your projects are your Facebook pages, and you'll also be able to see the latest responses on your system. And if your pages, it will give you the widget and your page name and the members who had an interaction currently, their gender, and if they are subscribed to receive mass messages on their Facebook profile. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on projects. And when you click on projects, you should be able to see how many projects can you create. In this case, everything is maxed out. Now, we're going to go ahead and click on action and click on create page, create project. Now, when you go ahead and click on that, you'll be able to connect your Facebook page with Bullet Response. We have a separate detailed tutorial on how to connect your Facebook page with Bullet Response. It takes only about 5 minutes, so not to worry about that. We're going to go ahead and move on. Now, once your page has been added, you'll see it right here, just like this. You'll be able to delete it, modify it, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and click on action and click on responses. Now, when I click on responses, I will be shown all the responses that the system contains at this point. I'm going to go ahead and click on action, add response, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what it does. Now you have two choices. First of all, on step 1, you can go ahead and click on contains or equals. Now what's the difference? Now if you go ahead and click on contains, and let's go ahead and add the word support. Now every sentence that contains the word support, will yield the response we're going to add. Now, if I went ahead and typed equals, people have to actually type support. That's it. Now, if it contains, then people can type, can I get some support? Can you support me on this? Will you be providing support? And so on and so on. So I'm going to click contains. I'm going to type support. I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue. And this is where all the magic happens. And on this page, I have a couple of options. It says show random. Now, if I click on yes, what will happen is it will show random messages from the list of messages. And for my purpose, I'm going to go ahead and disable it. I don't need it. And there is messages. It's empty right now. It says add message. There are 3 types of messages: text, image, and structured message. I'll give you an example of all of it in just a couple seconds. Now let's go ahead and add a text message. Click on add message. I'm going to go ahead and type in thank you for contacting. Please open a ticket. Open a ticket, right? So on and so on. That's my response when someone types, can I get some support? Can you support me? So on and so on. Now, that's text. I'm going to go ahead and delete it for a second. I can go ahead and click on message type, image, and click on add message. I can upload an image. Now, what will happen is when someone types, can I get support? So on and so on, it will display this image. Now, on top of that, you can go ahead and add a text message if you want to. Click on add message and type this up. So what will happen in this case? In this case, it will display the image and it will also display the text. Sounds good? Now you can also go ahead and add a structured message on the same page, same message, but that's a little bit confusing. I'm gonna go ahead and delete these for a second. Of course, you can add as many messages as you want. Now, structured message will allow you to create multiple structure where people can click and buy products, click and view information about products, and so on. I'm going to go ahead and click on add message. Now, this is just a box. Now, I can add as many boxes as I want. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on choose. I'm going to go ahead and choose my picture just for a random. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and type up product A, right? I'm going to type product B so you guys get an idea. And $100. 100 one-time fee. So you can add basically as many boxes as you want. I'm just giving you a quick demo so you get it. You can add only one box if you want to. Now your title could be, view more information, or it could be, learn more. It could be buy now, get it, whatever you want. Okay, and you can go ahead and put in a URL. So whenever people click on that tab, it will go to this link. It could be a payment link, it could be a blog, it could be whatever. Okay, now this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and add an image for all of it. So random, guys, just random images for right now. Now once this has happened, you can actually add more buttons if you want to. So if you want to add more buttons, feel free. You can add as many as you want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and delete these. Now these are deleted. Once they're deleted, I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks on the system in just a few seconds. Now I'm gonna head over to so that's pretty much it. So once we have added our messages, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to my dashboard one more time. And I'm gonna head over to my Facebook page. And here I'm gonna go ahead and type support. Take a look at this, guys. Did you see what happened? It gave me the picture, the product information, and learn more, buy now, and get it now. So all of these are right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and type up hello and howdy, and it will ask you, how can I help you? Type subscribe to get updates. Now what is subscribe feature? Now if I go ahead and type subscribe, what will happen? Now if I go ahead and type subscribe, it will subscribe me to the system, meaning if someone is subscribed to your system, you can go ahead and send them a mass message on their system. So all you do is get on your system, you click on send message. This is a very cool feature. Now you go ahead and choose your page, and you choose one of the responses that you have created. So for example, I want to send everyone the price of bullet response, right? I can click on it. I can go ahead and click on send message. And take a look at this. The message has been sent immediately to everyone who is subscribed to that page. Now on top of that, you can click on contacts, and you can see what pages, their picture, their name, their gender, and their time zone, and if they're subscribed or not. Now keep in mind that you cannot get their email because Facebook doesn't want you to have their email. That's not up to us. Now that's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple to use, and you're going to love this system.